Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert PDF files directly into your Excel spreadsheets. Adding PDF in Excel can be a handy feature when you want to consolidate information or reference external documents within your Excel workbook. So let's start the video. To embed PDF file in Excel sheet, open your Excel workbook where you want to insert the PDF file. Make sure you are working in the specific worksheet where you would like the PDF to be inserted. Now click on the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon and then click on drop-down arrow under Text option. Select Object from the menu. A object window will pop up. In Object Type, select Adobe Acrobat Document and click OK. Now select your PDF document and then click on Open. You can see PDF file has been embedded into Excel sheet. You can resize it according to your requirement. Now if you want to add PDF file into Excel sheet as icon that links to that Excel file, then while adding, click on Create from File tab. Now click on Browse button to locate and select the PDF file. And then click on Insert button. Now check these two options, Link to File and Display as icon. And now click on OK button. You can see PDF file has been added as an icon. So that's how to insert PDF file in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching.